Tucked away in desirable and private Cobblestone Ridge is this lovely, spacious, and recently updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath patio home. Presented by the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty. Let's join Heather and Marcia as they give us a tour.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And our teammate Marcia Taylor.
Hey Heather. Hey John.
And today we are at 3040 Springmill Drive in Mountain Home, and Marcia's going to tell us a little bit about this home.
Yeah, we are in a planned urban development, and it's a nice little craftsman style homes here in the neighborhood. And we're getting ready to go and see a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with about 2,500 square feet.
Friendly neighbors, as you saw. I love this front porch, Marcia.
It's great, isn't it? Hey, John.
Hey, how are you guys?
Hi,
We're
John.
good.
What's taking you so long up there?
We were just thinking.
Sitting on the nice front porch. It is.
It's a great open floor plan.
It's very nice and bright in here with the paint colors and all the windows.
Yep.
And
So you've got a nice large size eating area right next to us here.
it's all pretty open.
Yes, it is. They have a
Cozy little gas
gas
fireplace.
fireplace.
Nice size table.
Yeah, it's a great little area.
Still pretty open to everything. And Marcia, why don't you show them the secret compartment
Yeah,
back
let me
there?
show you this, John. This actually comes out,
Oh,
and there is a hot water heater back here.
Could be used as extra storage or a good little hideout. Look, I can stand up in here. You got this nice little bar right here for extra, if you have
Serving.
your wine. That's
Yeah.
right. Oh,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Nice little island with some outlets. And Marcia, what appliances stay with the home?
All of the appliances stay. Microwaves, refrigerator, stove. This is a new sink. The current owner has updated everything since she's moved in. There's still a little bit of work still needs to be done here, but it'll be finished.
I love how tall the cabinets are.
Yeah, it is a nice size ceiling.
You have can lights. It's very bright in here. It's kind of an overcast day, but with all the lights in here and the natural light coming from outside.
Yep.
All right. Do you want to look at?
How about if we just take a quick look at the laundry room here since we're here?
this is convenient, isn't it?
It is, John. There's a nice little sink here.
Utility sink.
The washer and dryer stay. And here's the garage.
Oh, that's handy. Oh, yeah.
2-car garage. Lots of storage space available.
I like that there's an exterior door right there in the garage too. That you can
You've
go
got
in
one
and out
right
of.
here from the laundry room, and you've got one from the garage.
But all the groceries, they can come in, go right to their...
Right here if they want. Well, I'm excited to see the bedrooms.
Oh, where are you at?
Well, let's go on the other end of the house before we go upstairs. And right down the hallway, we'll just take a peek in here. And coat closet. And you go right into your guest bathroom, which you can see the theme is still it goes well with everything else
does.
in here. And that's a tub shower combo. In guest bedroom number 1, look how cute this is. All natural, neutral colors.
Big closet.
Big closet, lots of natural light still. And they put new flooring in here, did they?
They did. They took out any carpet and replaced it with flooring. And here, the second bedroom.
Were those bunk beds give you an idea of how big this room really is.
They do. Yep.
And look how tall the ceilings are. Sometimes when a room has bunk beds, you know, whoever's sleeping on the top bumps their head. Yep.
Right, right.
Plenty of head space.
And then you've got closets here. Just your regular standard size closet.
And just right across is the primary bedroom. And I love these French doors that they have in here. And look how spacious this room is. You have your exterior door that goes out to your covered patio area. And John,
and right
take a
behind
look.
you here, John, is a closet. Nice size walk-in closet.
Wait, let's see if it is a walk-in.
Close the door. There's lots.
Trying to trap me. There is.
Yeah.
And you still have a lot of headspace up here. You could put a few more racks up.
And you were going to show me the bathroom.
Here's your bathroom.
I love that bathroom.
You've got separate tub and shower.
Okay.
And let me move out of your way, John, so that you can get a good picture of that.
Nice shower.
It is.
Easy to keep clean. Down there, the jet tub.
And you even have double sinks.
Double vanity. But the question is, where is the humble cameraman? There he is.
All right, John, let's go upstairs.
Upstairs.
There's a
There's more.
surprise bonus up there.
Yes, indeed.
And just off of the kitchen. And all of this was replaced too. There was carpet. And John, you won't believe the size of this area. It's huge. You have your family room, game room area over here.
Oh boy, that's like a theater room.
Exactly,
It is.
this is a huge couch.
I guess.
Friday night movie night. You could fit several people in here.
You could.
Family night, friend night.
Yes, indeed. And it looks like you can kick them back, too.
That's right.
I just got 9 seats. But look at all that space on the other side.
Exactly.
Oh, well here,
You've got some open space right here. Make this an exercise area.
Or if you wanted to, they're using this as a room right now, but you could put a wall up here and put a closet in, make it a true bedroom, or close it off a little bit and make it your office. Not a lot of homes have this big of a bonus
No,
space.
they do not. This is really nice feature for this house.
Yep. And I like that all of the main bedrooms are on the main level, so you wouldn't have to be climbing up and down the stairs every day if you didn't want to.
That's right.
All right, since we didn't see this earlier, take a look outside, just right off of the laundry room. Very convenient to the kitchen, just like they have here. They have their grill out. You can sit out here and watch the kids play.
And this is the garage door right here.
And then your primary bedroom door. So if you wanted to come out here and drink your coffee, this would be a good spot.
Perfect spot for it. Nice and private.
view.
Nice wooded area.
Yeah.
I love how the exterior of the home flows inside with everything. It matches perfectly.
It does.
All right. Marcia, to find out more information about this property, where should they go?
Check us out at enjoytheozarks.com. And the address here again is 3040 Spring Mill Drive. And you can check us out also on Facebook.
Google, YouTube, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
If you'd like to find out more about this patio home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on Google, Facebook, or YouTube. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lee Mack Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.